Hey friends, and Charles, I was trying to straighten this piece of angle iron. It's off the buck rake, a hay sweep if you prefer. And I was trying to use the trailer to do it. It's stout. We use it for a lot of things. But I had that hole, I had it bolted down through that hole on the angle iron, through this hole on the trailer. And look what it did to my trailer. It's pulled the nut right through way in. It's concave now. And then I added washers. You can see that. I did it to the washers too. Now this is what the hole is supposed to look like. Another one there. And another one down there. I used to have a toolbox mounted to this trailer. And I had to take it off one time so that I could fit a pickup I was hauling on here. It wouldn't fit. And anyway, the toolbox never got put back on. You know how it goes, right? Alrighty, well, I didn't expect that. Alrighty, everybody have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.